Link. What's up guys, and welcome back to another interesting video. Today we'll be embarking on another road trip with my homeboys. That's Edmond. Unfortunately Fred will not be able to join us on this trip, and Ken, who is on his way. If you guys remember, my recent road trip was to Cote d'Ivoire, which was months ago. So today we are joining the cross-country transport services to Nigeria. This trip was sponsored by the Ghana Auto Show with some other key people who they don't want to be mentioned. Big shouts to Turbo Engineering as well. So guys, stay tuned and don't forget to like the video, share it and subscribe. Let's go. Yo, how much money we have?
385 Nigerian money. We bring small money, can't take big money. And I'm like, how? Chairman, I'm like, how? Before we catch up, see.
Now the money come down.
Let me see. See Ghana money, see Nigeria money.
Before, now it come down. Before this one.
So guys, we made a quick pit stop somewhere around Togo-Benin for everyone to stretch their legs before we continue. So stay with us. So guys, we have finally arrived at our first border crossing, which is the Aplaho border, the border between Ghana and Togo. And look at this guy. This guy is trying to open the window. That's our local forex bureau. These guys, they change money from naira to cedi to safer, whatever. They will help you out. So the next thing is to go and get our paperwork sorted. And I must be honest, most of the time for us Anglophones, it's very difficult for us to cross over. I don't know why, but cross-country travel and logistics services assured us of a smooth crossing over. So, guys, let's go and see. So guys, just like that, we are in Togo. Guys, the process was very, very smooth. Big shouts to the cross-country transport and logistics services. They had an agent and the agent took care of everything. I was traveling with my passport as well as Edmond, but Ken was using his Ghana card, and it was just seamless. The process took like 10-15 minutes. They verified, took some pictures of us, we did our biometric, and we were all good. Yo, big shouts to you guys, man. And guys, if you remember this road, we did some madness here some time ago with my homeboy. we ended up getting some police trouble, which, you know, if you've not seen that video, click up here to check it out. Wow, Togo is so beautiful, man. We need to come back. We need to come back here. Big shouts to my Togo farms, man. We made a pit stop at the border between Togo and Benin, and we are here. Our agent is working on our paperwork to cross, and as you can see, Ken is over here, Edmond is over here as well. So that's the bus we came in with, this one. So so far so good. It has been a very smooth ride, and yeah, we'll still keep you updated. Ooh, wow, that's a very nice S-Class over there. Yeah, so we'll keep you updated, guys. So guys, we are entering the Republic of Benin, and I must say the process was very, very smooth. Big shouts to cross-country transport and logistics services. And one more thing, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Like the video, share it with someone in your circle might want to do a similar road trip. This video might help the person. So guys, we encourage you guys to share the video with someone. Also, if you are not a fan of sitting for long hours, I would not recommend you do a road trip like this, because at a point it gets very, very, very tiring. So we made a pit stop somewhere for everyone to, stretch their legs and regain composure. And then we're back on the road. Google Maps said we had about 5 hours more to go, but it was more than that. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. We are currently at the cross-country Benin branch. The drivers said they are going to sign their paperwork, and then we continue. Yeah, it's been a very interesting journey, and one thing I have noticed about Benin is most of the motorcyclists, or what we call Okada in Ghana, most of them are in reflectors or a yellow shirt. I think that distinguishes them from the regular motorcyclists, which is, a very interesting thing. Ghana is free for all. So guys, we are currently at the border between Benin and Nigeria. We are about to cross over, and as you know, typical border activities. Yeah, so we'll keep you updated. So guys, we had a slight delay at the Seme border, and you know, cross country was there to sort everything out. So guys, once you cross over, there are small barriers which you need to be aware of. You see a lot of lights flashing. All those lights flashing are small barriers. You need to have enough in your pocket to, you know, do, if you know what I'm talking about. And there are about 20 to 30 of them, some including customs, immigration, and some, you know, area boys as well. So you need to have enough in your pocket. And the place is pitch black, so do not speed. You get there, they stop you, you do whatever you do, and then you move on. Over at this side too, we are topping up our fuel, and then we head to our destination. So Starboy just pulled up. Star fucking boy! Star fucking. We are here.
Welcome to Lagos.